Hi, welcome to Excel Creation. This time I will install interior light for N-scale shopping mall, which is made by TOMYTECH. This shopping mall has a unique cylinder structure and 4 stories. It will increase difficulty, so I use most narrow LED strip. Two parallel strips will stick on each floor. I make a mark on negative pole for further soldering. A resistor connected to LED. It is to reduce brightness. I use compass knife to cut a round shape fold. Use sandpaper to polish before you paint it. Now is the most difficult job. I solder silver white to LED strip, then solder silver white to the next level of LED strip. I use super glue to stick LED firmly. Connect to power and test before put flows into cylinder. Use UV glue to pass wax. I found that the light leaking through gap, so I use putty to fill gap. Paint the same color as floor to cover silver whites and resistor pins. Thanks for you watching my video. If you would like to know more technique about how to make model and diorama, please subscribe. I will show you more in the future. See you next time.